What's up guys, my name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 15 tutorial. Many of you has commented, it's Wednesday my dudes. So in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make the awesome shake blur transition that I've never done before on the channel. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and I would say let's get started. So as you can see right now we are in Vegas Pro 15 and what you need for this is basically two different clips so we can create the actual transition. Okay, so we're going to start off by the first clip and we're going to go ahead and for example pick around right here, and we're going to also do that for the beginning of the next clip, and we're going to cut right here. So once we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the event pan crop icon of the very first clip, and then this box is popping up, and what we want to do is make sure that sync cursor is checked. Then what you want to do is we're going to go to the beginning of the clip and we want to just go ahead and zoom in just a little bit, and we want to create some keyframes all around, and so that's going to look like the shake transition. So once we've done that, we're going to just go ahead and zoom in and just go ahead across the screen just a few times. Doesn't really matter where the position is, just make sure that it is nice and moving. We're going to go ahead and create a new keyframe right here, place it a little bit up, and then at the end, the last keyframe, we're going to go ahead and place it like that. Okay, so now that we made the keyframes, what we're going to do is pretty simple. We're going to copy all of them. So we're going to go ahead and hold our left control and we're going to click on them, and as you can see those little dots in the keyframe appear. So we're going to do that for all the keyframes and we're going to make sure that we have them all selected, and then we want to press Ctrl C. Now I want to mention that you also have to right click on just one of the keyframes and put that one to smooth. So once we've done that, we're going to go to the first bit of the second clip. We're going to go to the event pan crop and we're going to just basically press Ctrl V or paste all the keyframes. So once we've done that, all the keyframes are in here, and we want to also make sure that we put everything to smooth. So now that we've done that, we are just basically done for the masking and for the moving part. So what we're going to do then is we're going to go to video effects and we're going to scroll down until we see linear blur. That is right here, and we're going to pick the 30-degree light. We're going to drag that on top of the first clip, as you can see, and then we're going to do where the amount button is, we're going to click on animate. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make sure that we put the beginning of the keyframe to 0, and at the very end, the last keyframe, we want to put that one to around 0.200. So now that we have done that, what we're going to do is we're going to do the exact opposite on the next clip. We're going to go to the animation button of the second clip. We're going to start with 0.200, and at the end, we're going to put that one down to 0. Okay, so once we have completed all the steps, this is basically what it looks like. And as you guys can see, that is how to create an awesome shake blur transition in Vegas Pro 15. So that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to smash the like button down below if you find this video helpful and awesome and just obviously useful in general. But that's gonna be it guys. I want to thank you for watching. Make sure to check also the description if you want to get a shout out in my next video. Anybody that gets the pro membership on the link below will get a shout out in my next video. So that's it, and I will see you guys in my next video.